Hey, what is this? Welcome to the channel. My name is Jay, and today we're going to take a look at January 2025 performance on the Plex bot. There we go. All right, so we here looking at the chart. As you know, Plex trades on the daily time frame, so there wasn't much trades. We took 9 positions in total this month. We had 3 trades on the Aussie 200. We had 2 trades on the S&P, and then we had 4 trades on the NASDAQ. So if we look at the period, this is a custom period from the 1st of January until the 31st of January. So you can see these are the trades that we took, 9 in total. The broker actually pays you a small dividend for holding a position on the indices. So as you can see, these are what the small balance comes in at, all right? It isn't really much, just a couple cents, but it does add to the account. So if we take a look at the actual trades now, so you could see the bot does a pretty good job at taking some of the low points and closing once we in profit. Now, we did have a position here, and it held the position, and because it got the signal for 2 other positions here, it took it again and then closed all 3 at this point. So this is for the NASDAQ. On the S&P, we took a position at this point and we closed in a profit, but we did make a loss on the second trade. On the Aussie, it did pretty well. It took a long position here and it closed there. We had another winning position here, and this one was slightly below break even. So if we look at the report now, we could generate a report from this results. We say yes, and you can see here we are. In total, we got 9 positions, all being long, 77% win rate. We had a 1.86% drawdown, which pretty good. Yeah, so I think this month we for January it came in at about 15% return on the account. This is standard settings for my risk tolerance. Now the bot could be reduced, but I mean, I am trading anyway. I am comfortable trading it. This is like a practical way of growing an account over time with a bot and not taking ridiculous amounts of risk. And there is no martingale, there is no grid. This is just, you know, pure strategy based on different calculations. So yeah, if this is something that you're interested in, you could leave me a comment below. Let me know. Follow me on Discord, and you'll keep up to date with what's going on with the bot itself. So if we look at what's going on at the moment, the market just opened. This is Sunday night, and the bot just took 3 trades, one on the Aussie, one on the S&P, and one on the NASDAQ. And the market is rallying. So we'll see what happens. It would be interesting to do the end of month for February, because we actually caught this trade from the bottom here to the top, which was crazy. But yeah, that would be later on for the end of the month. Yeah, so that is where we at for January 2025. If you're interested in the Plex bot, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, leave me a message below, or you could follow me on Discord, shoot me a message, and find out how you could get access to the bot, whether it be a licensed copy or when we get started with the Palm account. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.